Yes, G Hill Pine. Once again, Bible verse of the day. Exodus 20 verse 8. It says, remember the Sabbath day to keep it holy. And that it must be a reason why the Bible said it is the law to keep it holy. Yes, keep it holy. Not the remember part there. So if you keep it holy. Sometimes they have pleasure. For there's other parties say when them and the Sabbath day they want to do their own pleasure. That is not all. So remember, say no, you must forget it. If I say remember, it's a holy day. Sanctify, set aside for us to worship. You understand? So you must remember that. And remember, even someone send you out a certain thing where want you, don't forget if you remember it. That special one. Make sure you remember it. No matter what a person tell you to do, and if you remember, it must be a reason, it must be important. And for me, I think when he said if you remember it too, times I go come where I go get so busy caught up in the world. We will get so busy caught up in the world. We not remember which the Sabbath day, the worship day. Them are go because what? Some people are going to want to try to change it from Saturday to Sunday. So if you remember it. So remember what I'm saying now. So you remember Exodus 20 verse 8. Remember, don't forget it. Don't forget it. Peace out. May the good Lord go with you, bless you and guide you and protect you throughout your day and days to come. Live good. Have a peace of mind. God bless you.